Most of the time, we know what to do to make a bad situation better. Yet we so often behave in ways that make them worse. If you have a hard time making bad situations better, these are the probable causes. Confusing feelings with motivation. We focus on how emotions feel while disregarding the most important element of them, what they prepare us to do. Negative emotions prepare us to avoid or attack. We make things worse by acting on temporary feelings rather than humane values. If you consistently act on feelings, you'll violate your deeper values. We make things worse when we misunderstand disappointment. Disappointment is a motivation to improve, not retaliate or give up. Things will get worse if we listen to the wrong voice in our heads. We all have voices in our heads. Some are left over from childhood. Some we catch from social contagion. And some come at us from the internet. The wrong voices tell us to violate our values, to oversimplify complex issues, or to spread hate in opposition to hate. Other barriers to making things better include confusing failing at something with being a failure. We become successful by learning from failures. We make things worse when we confuse our intentions with the effects of our behavior, and confusing negative labels with thoughtful analysis. When we label someone, we fail to understand them. The course will show how to remove all barriers to your great ability to make bad situations better.